I'm going to tell you one way to burn body fat faster. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified of new videos. So guys, one top tip to make you burn fat faster. So guys, when it comes to fat burning, there are a whole bunch of crazy things that people try and tell you to do. The internet is absolutely littered with so many top tips, you know, from killing yourself with HIIT exercises, you know, high intensity interval training, crazy diets, you know, potions, lotions, diet pills, you name it. But the reality is, guys, there is one tip that I'm going to give you today that is guaranteed to work. Trust me guys, I'm not saying that all of that stuff that you read isn't good information. You know what? It's all got its place and it's all about context. However, the top tip that I can give you in order to burn body fat faster that is absolutely proven, that is to do cardio in a fasted state. That's it. Cardio in a fasted state. It's as simple as that. Get up in the morning when you haven't consumed any food, any calories, your body has been fasted overnight, and do some low intensity steady state cardio. Why is that? First thing in the morning guys, your body is going to be as empty as it's ever going to be. You've been asleep all night, so your body's been fasting, you're not consuming any calories, you wake up in the morning, everything is depleted. There's no glycogen, which the body primarily uses for energy. You've got nothing. So fat is just stored energy that your body would use in order to keep going in the absence of any other form of energy. Now this works best when you're in your target heart zone. Now the target heart zone is a calculation for that. Now this is 2 Minute Tuesday, so I'm not going to go into all the scientific calculation. However, I am going to post that calculation in the description box below. So make sure you check that out guys. So guys, low intensity, steady state cardio whilst you're in that target heart zone is going to really help you on your journey. And again, you don't have to go to the gym. You know, this steady state cardio could be simply just walking around for 20 to 30 minutes or doing some light jogging on the spot, but something very, very light that keeps you in that target heart zone. So guys, try this for 2 weeks and I can tell you now you will definitely see the difference. Also remember guys, this tip isn't magic, so stay off the donuts. You need to burn more calories than you consume. All of those fundamental things need to be the same. However, if you follow this tip and do some steady state cardio in a fasted state, first thing in the morning is the best. You will definitely see the results. So guys, let me know in the comments section how you get on. This has been 2 Minute Tuesday. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens and I will see you the next time.